EagleRidge Roofing, comprehensive roofing solutions for Salt Lake City. EagleRidge Roofing is proud to offer comprehensive roofing solutions to residential and commercial properties throughout Salt Lake City, covering all zip codes from 84101 to 84199. Whether you need a new roof installation, repairs, or ongoing maintenance, our expert team delivers exceptional results using high-quality materials like asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and flat roof systems. With certified professionals who prioritize craftsmanship and adhere to local building codes, we ensure every project is completed to the highest standards. Our competitive pricing, commitment to safety, and understanding of the diverse needs of Salt Lake City's neighborhoods make EagleRidge the go-to roofing contractor for the region. In addition to our expertise, we pride ourselves on quick response times and exceptional customer service, fostering trust and satisfaction with every project. From storm damage repairs to long-term roof maintenance programs, EagleRidge Roofing is equipped to handle all roofing challenges, big or small. Call EagleRidge Roofing at 801-784-1457 today to experience Utah's premier roofing and construction services. Serving Salt Lake City and the Wasatch Front, we are your trusted partner for reliable roofing solutions that stand the test of time.